Today we're doing Lesson 87, Finding Unknown Factors. Since Lesson 4, we have practiced solving unknown factor problems. In this lesson, we will solve problems in which the unknown factor is a mixed number or a decimal number. Remember that we can find an unknown factor by dividing the product by the known factor. Another way that we talked about it in class, remember, is we said that this letter is called a variable. It's something that we don't know. And in order to solve for the variable, we need to isolate the variable. Remember the song that we sang, isolate the variable, hi-ho the dairy-o, isolate the variable. So in order to isolate the variable, we need to get rid of this 5. By dividing it by 5, it equals 1 and we can cross it off. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other to keep it equal. So we have a new problem. N equals 21 over 5. We will divide 5 into 21. 5 goes into 21 4 times, giving us a remainder of 1. So our answer, N equals 4 and 1/5. For example 2, we're going to solve 0.6 m equals 0.048, and we're solving for m. And remember, we're going to isolate the variable again by dividing 0.6 from both sides. 0.6 goes into 0.048. Thinking about the decimal chart, remember we do over, up. So it's 0.48. 6 goes into 48 8 times. And we get it, so m equals 0.08 or 8/100. Finally, in example 3, we have 45 equals 4x. Our variable is x, so we need to isolate the variable by dividing and getting rid of that 4. And we'll do it from both sides. 4 goes into 45. 4 goes into 4 once. Bring down the 5. 4 goes into 15 3 times with a remainder of 3. 3. So x equals 13 and 3/4. Looking at the practice set, you should be able to solve all of these problems. Remember, if you need to do over, up for any of the division with decimals, but also remember the song, isolate the variable, hi-ho the dairy-o, isolate the variable.